Hi everyone. Today we're going to do an art project based on Faith Ringgold's book Tar Beach, and we're going to make a small quilt block just on a piece of paper, and we're going to come up with a theme, and in the middle we're going to draw a picture of what we want to do this summer, or it could be something we've done last summer, or maybe something we just wish we could be doing. So as I look out the window now, it's pretty cold out, several inches of snow on the ground, and I'm thinking about summer. So my theme is going to be a beach. So I'm going to start off my drawing on a square piece of paper, just like this, and I am going to draw a square in the middle of my picture. And I'm just going to go and just pre-draw a square shape right in the middle of my square shaped piece of paper. Okay, so it doesn't have to be perfect, just the basis of a square. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw lines around the edge. So I'm going to draw a line here to here, and I'm going to come down to the bottom and draw a line from that corner down. I'm going to come back up and draw a line going straight across this way, straight across here, and coming down this way. We have 4 corners for our quilt block. Now I'm going to draw in the middle of these. I'm going to make 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. I actually have room for 4, so because I made them kind of skinny. So we're going to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this line should be about the same going across, okay? That way we can have some patterns on our sides and some designs. Now, I'm thinking summer, and I'm thinking the beach, so I started off my picture with a sun. And it's just a simple circle. And I'm going to put a zigzag line around my sun. And there's my sun. And I'm going to draw a little bit of a beach scene, and I'm going to have a palm tree come out maybe from this direction. Now your idea for what you want in the summer could be different. Maybe you could draw a picture of some place you want to go, or a place. Maybe you're on a bicycle, maybe you're on a plane. You are the artist, you decide. So I have a palm tree, and I might have a palm tree coming up this way. I'm just drawing in my lines. And I'm going to draw a line going across because this is going to be the water. And out here in the middle, I might have a sailboat. And maybe it has some flying birds in the background. And I'm just going to put some dots on here to represent the sand. And maybe down here, these are my toes in the sand. And I can put a little bit of nail polish on. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I thought it'd be fun for my picture. And then I'm going to decorate the border. So for the border, it helps if you come up with a pattern or a design. So up here in the corner, I'm going to draw a spiral. And I'm just drawing a spiral in each corner. Okay, for the next part, I'm just going to draw straight lines going across. So this is a horizontal line. I do 3 lines. And I'm going to draw 3 lines down here. 1, 2, 3. Now, over here, maybe I'll draw a circle inside a circle. A circle inside a circle. Now I'm going to draw diagonal lines And in this one, maybe I'll draw a zigzag line going across. And down here, I'll draw a zigzag line going across. And up here, maybe I'll draw the letter A, because my first name starts with the letter A. And I'll continue the letter A down here. You don't have to do letters if you don't want to. You can just keep it to patterns. And over here, I'm going to draw some polka dots. So over here, I'm going to draw some polka dots. And maybe I'll just make a wavy line. And a wavy line. Now I'm going to draw some lines straight up and down, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. There's my vertical lines. And maybe I'll include the letter G for my last name. And I have one more section. Maybe I'll draw a little sun. I could draw a little sun over here. So there's my picture. And now you're going to take your time and color in each section. So if you want to continue with the patterns, if you make this sun yellow, you should also make this sun yellow. That way you're carrying out your design throughout your quilt. And I have some yellow here. I could include the sun as yellow. Then for my next color, I can go ahead and maybe I want an orange G. So this G will also be orange. Maybe I'll make my both my letters orange. So I made my A orange down there. I'll make my orange A up here. And I'll also color in a little bit of orange around my sun. So there's a lot of detail in this picture. You want to take your time and do a nice neat job coloring in all the lines. And I'm going to show you my finished drawing. So here's my example I did earlier. I don't have my toes in the sand like I do over here, but this will show you what a finished picture would look like. And you can see where I went and I added a little bit of green and blue to the water. I have my sailboat. I have my matching pattern in each corner. Okay, so have fun.